What qualities and characteristics did the pioneer of Islam or Ahmadiyya possesses, which we may be lacking in, but should we strive to attain in order to become better Ahmadi Muslim?
Yes, somehow. She said about the qualities which the Ahmadi Muslim do possess today and the qualities which they lack to be the right example for Islam.
This question deals with a very wide variety of samples. Each sample is different. So how can I answer this question keeping in view all the Ahmadis of the world? There are some, of course, which possess the best qualities, as far as it's possible for a non-prophet to possess. But there are some who lack in most of the qualities, and in between there are so many different shades. It's impossible to describe. They say that in the oceans there are millions, maybe billions of differences of temperatures. From one end to the other, the temperature would vary from one small area to another and another and another. So you're asking me, how can you define the varying temperatures who are like an ocean, vast and deep? So unfortunately, I'm not in a position to answer this question.